Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of notebooks. For this craft, you will need some firm paper like cardstock, or some lined paper or plain paper. You'll need some rubber bands, any length or thickness will do. You'll need a jumbo paper clip, a wooden skewer or stick, some scissors, and a hole punch. To start out, gather a couple sheets of paper together. You can use firm paper or cardstock as a cover, and then use lined paper or regular blank paper underneath. Cut the paper into thirds. For our first notebook, fold the paper in half. Next, cut notches into both the top and bottom edges, close to the folded spine. If you like, you can use a ruler to make sure your notches are exactly lined up. Wrap a rubber band around the book using the notches to hold it in place. You may need to wrap your rubber band more than once. You can decorate the cover as you like, and then you're finished. For the second notebook, fold your paper in half, just like we did before. Then fold again. Take your skewer or stick and measure it with your book. Cut the excess pieces off so that your skewer is the same length as your book. Be sure to ask for help if you need it. Using a hole punch, punch 2 holes into the folded part. Be sure you don't punch too close to the spine. Next, thread a rubber band through the holes. Loop each end of the rubber band around the wooden skewer. For the third notebook, follow the same steps as you did for the second notebook. Only this time, thread your rubber band through a jumbo paper clip. And that's it. Decorate your notebooks as you like. When you're satisfied, you're finished.